Good morning, students. Today we'll learn about geometry. Under this, we'll be specifically learning about construction of rectangles. So under construction of rectangle, there are two ways. One is when the measurement is given about length and breadth. The second one is when the measurements are given for side and diagonal. Let us understand the construction using the question. Here, the construction we are supposed to make is a rectangle which is HAND. Sides HA and AN are given. We start off with drawing side HA, which is 7 centimeter. So we take a scale and then we draw the length 0 to 7 centimeter. And then once 7 centimeter is drawn, we draw a half circle. So we take the compass, we make sure to point it at the right point at the end and then make a half circle. Once you finish drawing the half circle, you take 60 degree. Firstly, don't change the measurement, log the compass and then mark 120 degree. When once 120 degree is marked, you mark 90 degree using 120 degree marking and 60 degree marking. Okay, so the intersection of these two curves give you 90 degree. So what we do is join this point to the intersection point. We are joining this point to the intersection point. Make a long line. Once you finish drawing the line, what you do is you mark edge A, which is 7 centimeter, and this is 90 degree. We take the scale and the compass, take AN 4 centimeter. So we take the measurement 4 centimeter, 0 to 4, 0 to 4, so 4 centimeter. After we take 4 centimeter, we make a curve from the H point. Okay, from H point we make a curve. So till here it is 4 centimeter. So this is HD. Okay, HD. HD and AN will be of the same length. So we are marking both HD and AN. Once that is done, we will take HA 7 centimeter similar for ND. Okay, so we take HA, we can directly take from H to A, or we can take a scale and mark 0 to 7. Once that is done, from D we mark at A and we join A and N. After joining all the intersection points, we get the triangle. So we are joining this intersection point, which is N, and this intersection point, which is D. Okay, when you join, you get the rectangle. And once all the rectangle drawing is done, make sure to mark N and D. So the rectangle HAND is ready. Also mark 4 centimeter AN. Similarly, HD will also be 4 centimeter, DN will be 7 centimeter. Here the question is not only about constructing the rectangle but also about finding the area. So what will the area of this rectangle be? The rectangle's area will be area of HAND, which is a rectangle, will be base into height. So base is 7 centimeter here and height is 4 centimeter. So 7 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Then 7 into 4 will give you 28 centimeter square. Please ensure to make the correct measurement. And then we go on to construction of the second rectangle, which is LAND. Here LA is given to be 8 and AD is given to be 10 centimeter. If we notice, we'll find that AD is a diagonal. So we start off with drawing 8 centimeter, which is LA. So we take 0 to 8, 0 to 8. And then when 0 to 8 is done, we draw a 90 degree over here, just like the earlier one. We mark it as L and A, 8 centimeter. And then we draw a semicircle using a compass. The measurement of the compass does not matter, but we are not supposed to change it in between. Place it at the correct point at L. And then after drawing the semicircle, we mark 60 degree and 120 degree. 60 degree and 120 degree. This is 60 degree. And then next is 120 degree. Using these two measurements, we find 90 degree. The point of intersection of the two curves here. This point is gives you 90 degree. Joining L to this intersection of point will give us 90 degree. We draw a straight line. The intersection from L to the intersection. L to the intersection. Once we finish drawing, we take the scale. This is 90 degree. Mark it as 90 degree. We take a scale and then measure out AD, which is 10 centimeter. So we mark 10 centimeter. Mark 0 to 10. 0 to 10. Take exactly 0 to 10. Yes. So once we take 0 to 10, we mark it from A to D. Okay, so AD is 10 centimeter. So we mark A to D. And then we take the measurement from L to D. In a rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. So L to D will be the measurement of A to N. So we mark the same measurement. Here it's a line. It's not an intersection. So we don't know the exact point. So what we do is measure out LA, which is 8 centimeter. You can also use a scale for this. And then once you measure 8 centimeter, you mark the intersection point. So here we are supposed to join A to this intersection point to get AN. And then we join this intersection point to here for AND. So LAND. We get the rectangle. Mark the corners LAND and then write the measurements. We only know LA and the diagonal, which is 10 centimeter. So mark both, which we know. Side is 8 centimeter and diagonal is 10 centimeter. So 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Now the question also says find the area. So for the area, L of LAND, the rectangle, we are supposed to multiply base into height. Base into height, which is LA into AN or LD. Okay, so base into height. Here LD. LD will be, by Pythagoras theorem, 10 square minus 8 square, because here AD is the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So LD square plus LA square gives DA square, so we get this, and then 10 square minus 8 square, 100 minus 64, 100 minus 64 gives you 36, and then 36, root of 36 is 6 centimeters. So we know the side LD. Now base into height, LA into LD will be LA 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter. 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter will give us 48 centimeters square. And hope the construction of rectangle by both the ways are clear to you. Thank you.